Hello everyone, my name is Anna Sharma from class 3rd A. Today my topic is segregation of dry and wet waste. So I would like to say something on waste management. You can see I have taken two bins, one is green and one is blue. I will throw the wet waste in the green bin and dry waste in the blue bin. Segregation of dry and wet waste are helpful to save our earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Agampreet from class 3rd A. Today is World Earth Day. It is our responsibility to keep our environment clean. We should dispose our garbage properly. We should put dry waste in blue bin and wet waste in green bins. I am having some waste articles and I will show you how to dispose these in separate bins. This is a juice pack. It is dry, so we will put it in blue bin. This is it is a banana peel. It is wet waste, so I will put it in wet waste. This is a piece of silver foil, so I will put it in blue bin. It is an apple peel. So it is wet waste, so I will put it in green bin. This way we should dispose our garbage. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Anvita Jindal from grade 7th. Today on the Earth Day, I am going to start my own garden by the plantation of my own. So here is the process. Way by putting some soil and by planting the hibiscus plant in this small vase, I completed this process of plantation. Though it was a very small process, but by doing this small process at a very large scale, we can save our earth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is me Tanishka of grade 9 of Carpe Diem International School. Today I stand before you to express my views on Be a Planet Hero. The earth provides us everything we need to grow food and live healthy lives in the form of natural resources. We can save our planet earth by following some steps like bike more, drive less, use bicycles for shorter distances, reduce, reuse and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away from 3 R's to conserve natural resources. Conserve water. You never know the worth of water until the well runs dry. Shop wisely. Less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag at your home. So, by following some steps, we can conserve our earth. Take small steps in saving earth today and give your future family a healthy life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Ayushi Arya of grade 9 from Carpe Diem International School. Today I would like to speak a few words about Earth Day. Today is 22nd April and it's World Earth Day, and it is celebrated worldwide to protect our planet Earth. But as we all know that day by day our planet Earth is getting polluted by pollution, and as a citizen it's our duty to protect our planet Earth. So today I would like to tell you all few ways by which we can protect our planet Earth. So first of all, we should always try to reduce, reuse and recycle. We should try to conserve water. Do afforestation instead of deforestation. Try to walk or ride a bicycle to shorter distances. Stop consuming things that you don't need. Try to use recycled paper. Turn off all your lights, fans when not in use. Turn off your tap while brushing. Use energy efficient light bulbs. Fix leaking taps. Spread awareness among your friends, relatives and your close ones. Being a citizen, we all should follow all these small things to make our earth a beautiful planet. I thank you and have a nice day.